What is that boy still doing in there? Hey, Titus! If I come in there to meet you, it is going to be horrible. Will you just come out from that house? Nonsense. What the hell? What the hell is wrong with you? What are you doing with my kids? Are you okay?
Now you say I go inside, carry everything will be my own. Then follow. I don't carry them. Come here. Come here.
Nancy. So all I have been hearing about you and Titus is true. Right?
I can explain.
You can explain what?
Okay. You supposed to thank me for this house. You supposed to thank me. Say na me they do the work where you know free do. Me will be Titus. Now me born these children. Now me born them. Me na no worry. Me na me the service madam. For your bed though, on top your bed though, for inside parlor, for kitchen though. Even for bedroom, say me and the bath. Now me.
Jesus!
I said it. I said that these children do not resemble my son. That they resemble Titus.
Person wey talk say you know sabi do. Now she dey here now. She thought say she marry you because you get money. Now she come meet me say my dey service am. I come dey service am. Na part of the work.
That is why she snuck out of the house that night and entered the gate man's house and slept with you for over 30 minutes, moaning and saying, oh, Tai, I'm enjoying the rotten smell, the sweaty smell from your body. That was what she was saying.
Mommy!
Yes, Nwa.
You knew?
Please forgive me.
Jesus!
Jesus wasn't there. I was the one that saw them. Please forgive me. I don't know what came over me. I was not like this before. I see. I even tried to tell you. In short, I remember when I tried to tell you, when I tried to talk, you wouldn't listen. And then you, Nancy, I confronted you with same guinea.
There's a question I've been meaning to ask you, okay? What is it? Are you cheating on my son? Oh my God. What sort of rhetorical question is that? It's obvious that you're sleeping with your gate man. What are you even saying? What is the problem? Is my son sterile? Impotent? I mean, is that why you decided to allow the gate man father your children? Mommy, please. Please. I am not sleeping with my gate man. In fact, I love my husband. I can't even hurt him. Please, stop. What's this? What do you know about love? Love doesn't hurt. Love doesn't ask questions. Yet you have the guts to sleep with your husband's gate man for him to father the 2 children you have. It's obvious that those children don't belong to my son. No resemblance. Not physically, not in any way. Mommy, I take it that you've just come here to insult me. Well, it's fine. You're my husband's mother and I can just let it slide. You know, this is... Then again, I am not sleeping with my gate man. I haven't slept with my gate man. And your son, Mama Michael is the father of my children. Full stop. This is actually between you and I. And I will ask you for the last time. Are you sleeping with the gate man? I am not sleeping with the gate man.
Oh my goodness! I am finished. I am totally finished.
Please,
Oh my goodness. Leave me alone. Get your filthy hands off my foot. Mommy, so you knew. Mommy, you knew Nancy, this evil girl, has been cheating in my house with this stupid man and you kept it to yourself.
Now, what would I say? The next thing now, they'll say this wicked mother-in-law has broken up a very happy marriage. I tried directly, indirectly to tell you, but you wouldn't listen. He didn't love. He didn't love.
Can you listen to yourself? Can you listen to yourself? What you did isn't what a reasonable mother should do in situations like this. Tell me. No, tell me. Hi. God of Nazareth, I am finished. Was it what Thompson said? He is coming to share with me. He knew Thompson.
What's going on here? What's going on?
I'm finished.
What's going on?
Thomas, I'm finished. They are not my kids. She has been cheating on me.
I told you. When I told you, you were doubting me. Mama, I told him that these kids do not look like him. But he was doubting me. I said everything. I told you this one is a serious cheat. Do you know your wife even came to my house to seduce me? Do you know? Am I lying? I have evidence.
I'm finished, I'm finished.
Nancy, where have I gone wrong, Nancy? Where have I gone wrong in your life? I sacrificed everything for your family. I built a house for your family. I sent your brothers abroad and made sure they succeeded. What have I not done for you? Every day I am out there struggling, grinding to make sure you and the kids are alright. All you could do, sleeping with someone gets mad. I will never forgive you. I will. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Allow me to kill you. Thompson, leave me. Leave me, Thompson. Thompson, leave me. Thompson, allow me. Thompson, finish. Imagine I have been training another man's child. I have been training another man's child. Dear God, imagine. I have wasted my years. I have wasted my years.
Madam, leave now.
Look at Lizzie. Man, what's in the close around? What's your hobby? You are evil. God will judge you. God will judge you. God will judge you. You will die.
Love is meant to be true. Love is meant to be real. Don't get it twisted at all. Secret bonds and rendezvous brings nothing but false pleasures. Don't open your heart to deception. Don't give way to lies and deceit. Don't open your heart to strangers and know they bring nothing but pain.
Mama, even you.
Mama, what happened?
Mama, why did it
Don't stop the ones you love.
Why did you say that? People
At
abroad.
the back.
People abroad.
The next time you keep me waiting, you see what I'll do to you. You'll be fired next time. Animal, don't even baby me. What is wrong with this one?
Dad.
How are you doing?
Fine. What happened?
Don't worry, when we get to it.
Why is Gate Man crying?
Let's go in and talk about it, okay?
What happened to Mom?
Come on, let's go, guys.
Dad.
Let's go. Titus, please get the luggage from the... A lot of things, okay? I got things for you, they're all in the box.
What?
Yes. Yeah, you sit there, don't worry.
That Titus is a fool. An idiot. Arrogant nincompoop.
My guy, you guys go upstairs, okay?
Okay,
Daddy's
Dad.
coming to meet you with things I bought for you, alright?
Okay.
See you soon.
Bye.
Come on, babe. I mean, you can do better. Mind the way you handle things in this house. We have kids.
So what exactly? So because we have kids, when something is wrong, I shouldn't mention it. Listen, I cannot deal with an incompetent human in this house.
What incompetence? What has he done?
Do you realize that you're the one encouraging him? Do you even realize it? That fool! I don't even know what to call him right now. Okay.
Honestly, baby, you can do better. I don't know where this is coming from. Come on, nagging. Okay. From nagging all the way from the airport to this house and transferring your aggression to Titus. I mean, can't I have peace? What's all this? Can't you tame your temperament?
You open your mouth to call me a nag? Really? Over a gatekeeper? Who is supposed to know better? I will not tolerate this in this house. No, I will not. You know what? Fire him.
Can you just,
I want him fired.
Can you just put yourself together?
Why are you defending him? What is it
Coming
with
from
you
my
both?
trip from China,
So?
all I could get from you is at least peace. But look at you. What do I get? What do I get? Shouting and nagging everywhere. Okay, everything is upstairs, okay?
And now you're ignoring the topic on ground. You know what? Effium didn't even do... and I fired him! But here you are, you're telling... did you even work out on me? What's this? I want him fired! Honey? Did you work out on me?
So you're calling me with a Nigerian number. Are you back? Wow. That's a pleasant surprise. You mean Lucy? She's just there. Lucky? What is lucky about it? A woman who cannot satisfy me in bed, all she cares about is a career job which is so demanding. Is that what you call lucky? Look, you mean a woman who cannot give me 2 rounds of sex without complaining? Or calling me a maniac who is never satisfied? Is that what you're talking about? Oh, come on now. Look, Michael, you know I like sex a lot. I like it. I need a woman who can match up to my pace, kiss me, caress me, and do all those stuff. What am I supposed to do? Not really. I left the office, but I'll be coming back shortly. Alright. Talk to you later. My girl, Odogu. Anyway, let me pick what I want and...
I know exactly what I'm doing. I don't want to give Michael room to start suspecting I'm having anything with Titus. Indeed, sweetness lies in between his 2 legs. Titus. Titus sure knows how to take me to cloud 9 and not that fool that calls himself Effiong. A boy I was even trying to help his poor life.
From the truck, okay? Yeah, hurry up. Bring them into the kitchen. Alright. And please close the truck.
Up and down, madam, what happened?
Well, a little Betty told me that your people are quite good in bed, so I came here so you could give me that magic in between your 2 legs, make love to me and make me feel like a woman.
Madam, I beg. I don't know who tell you, no be me tell you. I beg you go meet those people where they tell you. Me, Effiong, I know waiting good, I know waiting bad. Me, I know go fit do this thing because it be my wife.
Okay.
Come, madam, I beg.
That's fine. I'm offering you 1 million naira. I'll send you money right away. Let's just get down to business.
Come, madam. If you like, give me 10 million. If you like, offer me your kidney, your liver, your spinal cord, or your medulla oblongata. Me, Effiong, I know go do am.
Well, Effiong, I wouldn't even dare offer you my kidney because how am I going to enjoy you? Come on.
Madam, I beg, this thing where you talk, so you no follow for my job description.
Besides, you enjoy it.
If you don't want make I do this thing, make I work for this place while they work, so I beg, I will just carry my back. Yeah, they come my finish like this.
Okay, that's fine. You can go.
Madam, I beg, no vex. Leave my room.
Effiong, you said you wanted to leave, right? Then leave.
Madam, leave this room now.
This is my house, Effiong. What is wrong with you?
Okay, make I leave.
And trust me, darling, you are not going anywhere.
No, madam, you never is like that.
Effiong, if you do not offer me what I want, I'm going to stab you
Okay,
and
madam.
make sure that your corpse is not found. My husband is in China. No one will see me.
Come on, use God name, big.
Young?
Come, madam, this thing. Come, madam.
Should I go ahead?
Never.
Are you ready to do it?
Come, madam. The Bible says in the book of Matthew 7:29, depart from me, ye know you not, you workers of iniquity. Zana me and Yakumbo in a manner. I made your mother feel no mediocre ponteke. Workers, idiot.
Turn around and appear. Lie. Scoot over. Lie. Okay, maybe I should just kill you and bury you somewhere. Then lie!
Hey, don't kill me. No, come on, pass me. Don't kill me.
Okay.
The blood of Jesus.
Oh, you look so strong. Now, unbutton your shirt. I said unbutton. I hate to repeat myself.
Jesus set me free.
Well, I'm so happy you didn't even fall my hand at all. You're nothing short of what I had expected. My bearded king.
Wafi.
Well, Michael isn't up to 1/4 of what you just gave to me. I mean, you've had me for 3 consecutive times and it was super hot.
So,
Something that Michael can never do. For the very first time, a man makes me groan in pleasure. And I feel like doing it all over again.
and why you marry him?
Money. He's stinkily rich. I mean, something you will never be in the next 50 years of your life.
But you can't find. God forbid. What didn't give you the right to decide my fate? You be caught.
Well,
Hi.
at this point, I can actually decide your fate, even though I am not God. And you're just an ordinary gate man who I am trying to help.
Abi, you use me to help yourself. I don't trust woman.
Okay, you can call me whatever you want, but come on, come back.
Just you.
He's judging us already, so come. Come to mama.
Woman on fire.
I cannot come and live in this guy. No, don't come and finish. Obi. Don't from Corona, ma. I say don't pass it. Don't from Corona.
Upon a desire. Le. Anybody she sees with 3 legs, so she want to chop.
Epion! Where's that
Oh, they
stupid?
look your face all glass. She wants to roll.
Don't tell me.
Oh, Ghana, 1 minute, man. She no fit manage you.
Oh my God. This had better be not. This had better. Don't tell me he left. Oh my God, I'm finished. What do I tell Michael if he gets back from his trip? What do I say? Oh no. This Nikombo, this idiot wants to put me in trouble. God. What do I do? Wow. Just wow. Look at this dress. It's super beautiful. I am definitely buying this dress as soon as my baby gets back from China. And of course, in the same color. It will look so nice on me. Okay, let me see. 95,000 naira. That's cheap. Definitely bought. I am so rocking this dress. No, this dress is mine. Mommy, please come sit. Oh, Mommy, please sit.
Thank you.
You awake already?
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
I enjoyed that nap. It was so restful.
Oh,
Thank
do you care for anything?
No. I actually had a glass of juice when I got up.
Okay, but there's chicken laps, fried chicken laps, some chicken wings. I could just microwave them for you. What do you think?
Please. Grandma is watching her weight.
Mommy, you have to eat your son's money. Your son is rich, oh. Hey, you need to eat.
We have to reserve some of the money for the younger ones coming up.
Mommy, there's enough money to go around. It won't finish.
Yeah.
Trust me.
All right. Oh, by the way, I didn't see Effiong when I came in. I hope he's still around.
That fool, that idiot, that imbecile.
Wow.
Ha! Mommy, if I tell you what that animal did to me, you'll be shocked.
Wait. Is it the same Effiong that is always lost in his small Bible that we're talking about, or someone else?
Pretender. Hi! Mommy, he was just pretending. You know how they say pretenders do the worst? I just can't explain it. Mommy, he was just using Bible to cover up all his atrocities. Effiong. Ha! He is a green snake under the green grass. Don't worry.
Can you tell me exactly what he did?
That idiot stole my money, some of my gold jewelries. Well, I had to kick him out. I had no choice. But then again, I don't want to talk about Effiong. I don't want to spoil my mood. Good news. My husband is coming back today.
All right.
I can't wait to have him back.
Someone is trying to make me jealous.
Mommy, no. He's your son. He's your son, of course.
I don't have a husband.
Mommy,
Well,
come
that's
on,
good.
you had your time. Allow me have mine. I've missed him.
I can imagine. You guys seem to be so much in love.
Yes, we are.
Refi.
Why are you opening the gate?
Welcome
Hey,
back.
baby.
I've missed you.
I've missed you more, baby girl.
Oh, I miss you
What's
so
up now?
much.
Where's Effiong?
Oh, well, he left.
For real? Why?
Baby.
Have you seen Thompson?
Oh. Hi.
Oh yeah. Come on.
I missed you so much. The house was so lonely without you.
I've missed you more, my sweetheart. What happened now? Why would he leave without waiting for me to come back?
Okay. Babe, you just got back, okay? We need to go in, you freshen up, eat some food, okay? And rest up.
Oh,
Don't worry, we have a
Yes.
lot of catching up to do.
let's go in, man.
Of course.
Where is mommy?
Well, she's inside. You don't have to be stressing her. Telling her to travel all the time.
It's alright. baby, I feel so full and satisfied. I've missed your meals.
Really?
Oh yes, I love your recipes so much. You are the best chef I know in this life.
Are you flattering me right now?
I am not kidding. I am not. My wife is the best chef. The best chef I know. Oh,
Thank you,
yes.
sweet husband.
So, tell me, baby, are you ready to tell me why Effiong left?
This again. Well, I fired him.
Why? You should have waited for me to come back. Come on. Of course.
Would you rather I continue staying in this compound with a rapist? No, maybe I should just call him to come back. Then perhaps you just go somewhere else and I'll just allow him rape me. Maybe.
Rape? He tried to rape you?
Yes, that fool tried to rape me.
For real? I mean, wait. So that diligent and calm-looking guy has that evil in him. Wonder shall never end.
You cannot even tell what a man is thinking from the look on his face. Don't worry.
I would have strangled that boy if I had met him in this compound.
Well, I had to just act fast and fire him.
Why didn't you get him arrested?
Like I said, I acted fast. I wasn't even thinking at that point. The first thing that came to my head was to just fire him. And that's what I did. Good riddance.
I see. But my mom was telling me another thing altogether. Yeah, she told me a different thing. I mean, which do I believe?
What did she say?
She told me about the boy stealing your jewelries and all of that, so...
So? Oh! So, you actually feel like I am lying, right? Baby, listen. It's not far-fetched. It's pretty simple. You won't expect me to just tell your mother that he tried to rape me. I mean, she will think, oh, because we have a daughter, she'll be devastated. Like, oh, what if he had tried that with our daughter? So I had to tell her part of the story. I didn't complete the story.
It's okay.
So that it wouldn't be, you know.
Hey, come on, it's all right, okay? It's fine. It's fine. I mean, for real? That's stupid.
Well, that's how poor people behave. What? I lied to Michael and his mom about the whole thing. That was how Titus came to work in this compound as a gate man. To convince Titus to start sleeping with me wasn't that difficult. He was readily available to dance to my tune and has never failed in delivering his duty. I can't let him off my hook. Everything I am doing to him before my husband is just a cover-up. Oh my God.
Hey, baby.
Baby, what are you doing? Come on. You need to rest before working on your laptop.
Well,
we just stepped in.
Well, I have to get this proposal ready so I can send it to the Chinese company.
Oh,
Yeah.
is it for the company abroad?
Of course. I told you I want to start importing motorcycle spare parts.
I can see you want to spread your tentacles
Of course.
and break new grounds. That's good.
Steady grinding, you know. Steady grinding.
My husband is a business tycoon. My
yes.
importer.
Oh, yes. You know, I want to make money. My generation and the ones yet unborn will never finish.
You have to slow down. Come on, slow down. Have you not made enough money already?
How much do I have?
Sukwanike.
Mezuike.
Please just
I
rest.
am not going to rest. Grinding always.
Please rest, okay? You should rest. Come on.
You know, I just need to send them the samples of these piston and rings so they will know exactly what to produce for me.
Okay.
Yes.
If you say so.
Babe, what's up this your mood swing?
This is the mood I find myself.
You have to really work on it.
Okay, I'm sorry. Come on. Am I forgiven? Sorry. Why did you chuckle? Oh, baby. You remember you promised the kids and I a vacation to Dubai during the long holiday?
I haven't forgotten.
Yes. So Dubai it is.
Assured.
Oh, thank you. I love you.
I love it too.
Ah, that's my husband. So, let me get set for Dubai. It's going to be a lot of shopping.
Oh, what is Mbappe playing now? What the phone now? But what is this? Go! Yes. That's more like it. Mbappe play ball, you will not play ball. See Messi now don't score. Easy goal. Oh, baby. Oh, welcome.
Thank you, my lord.
Oh, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How was your day?
Well, my day was good. So far, so good. I'm doing good.
All right.
Welcome.
Thank you. And what are you watching?
I'm just playing soccer as usual.
You and soccer every day.
What to do, and I have to keep busy.
Have you had something to eat tonight?
Well, not really. And I'm actually famished.
Okay, let me go microwave the bitter leaf soup for you.
Babe, bitter leaf soup again?
Yes.
I thought you made some other soups over the weekend.
Oh, yes, I did. Okay. Let me microwave egusi soup. All right?
Babe, how about you microwave the okazi and uziza soup?
Your favorite.
You can see that.
All right, I will do that. I'll be back in a jiffy, all right?
All right.
Stop. What do you think you're doing? Stop. What's this?
Hey, baby, come on. Just want to feel.
Stop, please. You know you had a long trip. What you need right now is rest, and not sex.
Oh, baby, I need to unwind, okay? I had a hectic day, so I need to ease off some stress. Come on, baby.
The only thing you need to ease off stress is sleep. So please just sleep. Besides, I'm not in the mood. Come on.
Baby, come on. What's wrong now? Anytime I try to make love to you, you give me one flimsy excuse or the other. What's happening now? I thought you said you missed me. Come on.
Why are you twisting things? No, why you try to twist things? All I said was you should rest. Did I say anything wrong? I said rest. We can always have sex anytime. You know, perhaps say next week.
Next week? Baby, can you listen to yourself? Next week? How? I don't understand. What are you saying? What are you talking about? Next week? How?
Listen,
You and I know the reason why I don't want to get into this right now.
Reason? Can you talk to me about it?
Because I don't want you to end up frustrating me.
Frustrating you? How? I don't understand. Can you just explain to me, baby, what's going on? Like, talk to me. What is it?
Fine. Let's say I allow you. At the end of the day, you end up not satisfying me. So, what becomes of me in the end?
Baby, what are you trying to say? That I am a 1-minute man?
No, I didn't say that.
So what are you trying... what are you insinuating?
All I'm saying is, make me a woman. Make me feel like a woman for once in this marriage. Come on, is that too much to ask?
Make you feel like a woman? Baby, you're complaining I don't make you feel like a woman. How come we have 2 kids?
Simple. I have a husband.
Of course. A husband that is doing his job properly. Oh yes. Me woman there. Am I going to kill myself in there? Huh? Baby. This one you're complaining and avoiding me these days. Are you cheating on me? Are you?
No. What are you even saying? You think this low of me? I would never, ever cheat on you. What for? You offend me by saying that.
What would you have me say? I just came back from a business trip trying to make love to my wife. And you're giving me excuses, pushing me away.
I only said you should rest. And we can do it another time.
I need to make out with my wife, baby. Look at my dick, so hard. Look at me so hard, please. I need to ease. Let's just... Baby, can we just touch a little? It's alright, good night.
Good night. Oh, damn. Boy, that was so freaking hot on the kitchen table.
I tell you now. I tell you something with someone you were with.
You did good. You did really good. Guess what? We have this whole house to ourselves. And we can sample the couch right here, the bedroom, everywhere in fact. So let's start.
You like you not carrying normally now.
Titus. Yes.
I'm your plantain. Fry me. Step on me, I'm your tiles. Madam.
The kind of things you say. Oh, Titus.
Carry me go where I mean, you will die here today.
You're so silly, boy.
Titus. You sure know how to get me on and give it to me real hard. Oh. Handsome, rich, but cannot be quantified with my Titus. I'm just here because of your money and nothing else.
Baby.
Baby.
Yeah, baby. Where went you?
Water. I went to get water from the refrigerator.
Since when did you start drinking water in the middle of the night?
Well, my throat was parched and when I woke up, so I just went downstairs to get water to drink.
Okay, drink up and come to bed, okay? Come on.
Oh, why are you removing your pyjama?
Hey, baby girl, I need to make love to my wife.
No, please stop. I mean, I'm tired. We can always do this tomorrow.
Baby, we're doing it now, right? Hey, come on.
No. What is it now, eh? Please, I don't like this kind of a thing. What's this? Why are you so hell-bent on sleeping with me?
Just stop this. Come on.
Okay. Why are you hell-bent on sleeping with me this night?
Because I've missed you so much, my baby. I mean, for crying out loud, I have been out for a month. I am a man. I have blood flowing through my veins.
No,
please,
baby,
come
no,
on.
No, not tonight, please. Please, tomorrow. Please.
Baby, just come to bed, please. Come to bed. Come to bed. I'm waiting, please. Just come to bed. Hey, come on, baby.
I'm tired now. Why can't you just understand I'm tired?
Baby, just small. Just let me just...
No.
Baby, I've missed you so
much. No, I said no.
Baby, if you don't do this with me tonight, that means there is someone somewhere servicing you and I need to find out.
This again? Like, seriously? What are you even talking about? How dare you accuse me of something like this? Why are you insulting me this way?
Baby, just come to bed, please. I'm waiting.
Fine.
Come now. Come on.
I'm in bed.
Am I irritating you?
No.
What's going on?
Okay, fine. Let's go.
This is not romantic, man.
Do anything the shelter of the Most High will abide in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say to the Lord, my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust.
Amen.
Amen.
Clap for Jesus. So let's bow our heads in prayer. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father, I want to thank you for our beautiful family, my lovely husband and my beautiful kids. Thank you for this life that you've given to us. Thank you for this peaceful home that we have. That we say, may your peace continue to reign forever with us in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ.
Amen.
Let love continue to dwell amongst us. May we establish and grow in love in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. By wisdom upon my children, I declare and I declare upon them that your light shines upon their life, they are the head and not the tail in their classes in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Father, someone does better in his studies in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Yes, they are the light and the beacon of the world. Therefore, Lord Jesus, I pray that no harm shall come to them in the name of our Lord Jesus. Even as my lovely husband travels all the time, I pray and I ask that you continually protect and guide him in the name of our
Mom,
Yes, baby.
I'm Phil. It's time to leave for school.
Oh. You know what? Just wait a little bit for Samuel, okay? Almost done.
Mom, we're late. You and I know the punishment for late comers.
Please, let him eat.
Sandra, you're just a school dweeb. I waited for you yesterday to finish your homework. And today you can't wait for me to finish my breakfast. Go, you can go. Go, shut up. You shut up.
Oh, Sandra, you don't talk to your brother like that.
Come on, you both shut up, right? You don't talk while eating. And you eat fast. We don't have the time in the whole world here. Alright?
I'll be waiting outside.
Make sure you take all your textbooks, okay?
And learn how to walk so that you stop walking like a giggy child.
Hey, Samuel. Samuel, the next time you talk to your sister like that before me, I'll punk you so hard. You do not talk to a woman like that, alright? You hear me? I think I'm even done.
Okay, I'll just turn the table and walk you guys out. When I come back, I'll have mine.
It's okay.
Samuel!
Where is this woman? I hope she hasn't left work. Hopefully she made me breakfast. What is this? Gracious morning to you, my love. I have left for work. Your breakfast is served on the dining table. See you when I come back in the evening.
Let's go. Come on. Let me help you. Right? Fast.
Take care, baby. Okay. Make sure you drive safely. Bye. Titus! Ooh, come here, baby. Yes. Oh, Titus. Come.
My knight in shining armor, come to me. Come to bed.
Madam, I know they that mood. I know they are beg.
Well, luckily for you, I shall know how to put you in the mood. So come to your baby.
I know they do. I know they do. I beg.
Come on. Why are you unmoved? Come. I've missed you. Just come.
See, if I no see alert on my phone, I know they do anything. My hope might tell you now. I know they do anything.
So it's because of money. Something as inconsequential as money. Really? Okay, fine. I will just give you 100K right away. Case closed. Okay. Okay.
Yes, now. My containers just came in now, so I have goods. Afiade. Yes. Okay. Charger. I have charger now, C-type. Then I have even This 2-meter cable. Okay, 200 cartons. 200 cartons of charger. Okay. I will mix the 1 meter and 2 meter cable. Okay. Battery. Yes, now I have batteries. Okay, 100 cartons of batteries. 100 cartons of batteries. Okay. Phone screen day too now. And when phone screen all day. Yes, I have the old and new model. Yes, I imported the two. Okay, 400 cartons of screen. Screen on the mother Kowasepana. But market will be moving. Okay. Panel. Yes, I have panels. Okay. 100 cartons of panel. Oh, okay. All right. Idris, I now sell phones. Oh. Yes, I import phones as well. So, in case you start selling phones, or you can link some of your line people. All right. Thank you very much. Please, send me the payment slip so I can confirm payment and start processing your way bill. Okay. Thank you very much for your patronage, my brother. Thank you so much.
Mikolo.
Hey,
my God.
Thompson! Wokike! The Thompson!
Money man.
Wokike!
The money man.
How you doing?
I'm good, though. I'm doing good. You call came to me as a matter of surprise, considering the fact that you were supposed to stay in China for 2 months. And it's just 1 month and you're back.
My brother, everything went so fast. So I said, thank God, though. I started rushing back to be with my family. You know me now. And 1 day, 2 days off, I start missing my family. So I said, thank God I finished on time. The next flight to Nigeria. Let me come and be with my family.
You can say that again. You know family is everything.
Family is everything, my brother.
Anyway, you can say that again, my guy.
Yes.
Welcome back.
Thank you very much. You know I love my family so much.
How was China?
Well, China, very fine, my brother. You need to see.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, Charity, what is it?
Sir, sorry to interrupt. I just want to confirm Mr. Charles' payment so that I can start processing the way bill.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've confirmed it there. Go ahead with the way bill.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hey. Thompson, you need to see. If you are China, if you come to China, hey, deals.
Baby, how you see him now?
Are you asking me?
Yes, now. I want to know as my performance day today.
Well, if you must know the truth, you took me to the moon and back as usual. I mean, you cannot well read in between the lines.
Baby.
Yes, baby.
No vex, so I want to ask you.
Go ahead.
Why you dey cheat on Oga? Why?
Why won't I cheat on Michael? Why shouldn't I? Come on. Michael is the worst thing that's ever happened to me. He doesn't know a thing. Nothing. He doesn't even know how to romance a woman before making sweet love to her.
Eh?
Please.
Oga no sabi romance?
You should take my word for it. All he does is, enter into me, ejaculate, and doze off. The worst of it is he starts to snore. Irritating.
But why you come marry him? Why?
Titus, you have eyes, but you can't see. Money, of course. Michael is stinkily rich. What every woman wants is comfort and security. And trust me, Michael provides that. Besides, my dream while I was growing up was to marry a rich man. And yes,
When I first met Michael, during my university days, on one of those occasions, I think it was, yes, it was Arag Day. I just knew he was going to be my husband.
How are you guys?
We're fine.
Rag there, eh?
Yes, sir.
You're ragging everywhere.
Yes, so bros, anybody girls.
Now, wow. Which school is this?
Abraka, Delta State University.
Okay. What's your course?
I'm studying English and Literary Studies.
What about you?
Same, we're friends.
Same department.
Yeah.
You guys are friends, eh?
Friends.
Wow, wonderful. This reminds me of my days in NIMSU. Yes.
Oh, what did you study?
Business administration.
Wow. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you people too. Nice one. Look at you guys, eh? Having fun. You must have made a lot of money.
Bros, no, the weather out. Which trying, not him, no. The weather out.
And we're BNDA teachers, Well, do I even have some? Okay, yeah, I think I have something here. I was once like you people.
Bros.
Yeah, this is not much, but you people will have to manage, okay? Well, you can share.
Thank you,
Eh? I was once like you guys. Yeah. I traveled all the way from Imo State to Onitsha. Yes, for our rack day, main market. We made a lot of money. It's all right.
Good to meet you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I have to run along.
No problem. Bye-bye, sir. Thank you.
Be careful, eh? Take care.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Well, that was the first time I met Michael.
But how una come take meet again and come marry? How?
It actually took a couple of years. But I met Michael again,
You mean him?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, Nicole, you mean to tell me that you have this kind of pretty damsel as your secretary and you're not getting down with her? Like, what? What's going on?
Thompson, what do you mean? I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Like, you should be doing something with her. Can't you see? What's going on?
Thompson.
Yes?
If I am understanding you properly, you mean I should start sleeping with my secretary? I mean, can you compare my beautiful wife with my secretary? Thompson.
Look, Nicole, that's not what men that cheat say. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's just common cheating.
Common cheating?
Of course.
You call cheating common? Cheating is cheating and it is bad.
Look, you and I know that a man cannot survive on a egusi soup alone. You have to have other varieties of soup. Sometimes you have to try afang soup or kasi or bitter leaf. At least to get different taste.
Women are all the same, Thompson.
Mikolo.
Forget about this egusi, sala or ha.
Okay.
All what and not.
Okay.
They are the same thing, same hole.
Fine. If you're not comfortable with getting down with your secretary, I mean, I have some beautiful babes in the city I can arrange for you to come. Give you some good BJ.
Thompson,
it's not a big deal.
Thompson, you're not a good friend.
What did I do?
You're advising me to start cheating on my beautiful wife. I love my family so much, I can't cheat on my wife. Okay?
Look, it's not a big deal.
Thompson, it is a big deal for me. Please, I have some orders I just wrote down. I need to do something about it.
This time, I was serving as a youth corper. I bumped into him. It was a coincidence. Trust me. Fate has a way of
orchestrating the meetings of people, and ours was divine providence. Yes. And this time, divine providence stepped in and it brought us something stronger.
Oh, wow.
And here we are.
Wow.
Remind me, please.
Well, you remember two young undergraduates on the rag day, and you gave us some money.
Oh, that's you!
Yes.
Oh my God!
my
Look
friend.
at you! Look at you! Wow! How about your friend?
Well, Euphemia, she's doing really good. In fact, I was just coming to see her. She has a shop here in the plaza. She sells hair now.
Oh. Yeah?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Look at you, so beautiful.
Oh, thank you, Verse.
Oh my God, my bad. You know, that very day, before I could remember, before I could get myself, I've dropped you off. And I remember I didn't even ask for number or your name.
Well, my name is Nancy.
Nancy,
Yes.
Nancy. Look at you, beautiful. My name is Michael.
It's nice to meet you, Mike.
Oh yeah.
Once again.
Wonderful to meet you again. Thank God, oh. Thank God. Thank God I met you again. Look at you, so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. So, how far now? How has it been going? Where's your PPA? Where's your primary assignment?
The truth is, I was posted to Anambra State. Yes, Idemili North, to be precise.
Wow. Oh, you're serving in Anambra State?
Yes, I am.
So, what are you doing in town? What are you doing in Delta State?
Well, like I just told you, my friend Euphemia, she has a hair store, just in this plaza here. So I came to see her.
Oh, wow. That's good. That's good. I mean, look at you. You're looking good. Are you sure you're really serving?
Of course I am serving, Don't just mind my stature. The government is not easy. This government job. Ha!
I understand. So how is it going? I mean, the serving thing and all, the stress.
So, what to do? Besides, it's always been my dream, to go to school, graduate, serve, and perhaps get a good paying job. So, I'm on cue.
Oh, wow, that's wonderful. Have you ever thought of getting married? Like marriage aspect. After graduation now, after school now, marriage is the next thing.
Well, yes, but come on, I want to get a high paying job. Then I can think about the 8-letter word.
That's good. That's good. It's all right. I mean, I just came here to buy some things. Oh, yeah.
It's okay. So let me just go see my friend now.
Hey, no. Hold on, please. Let me have your number. Maybe I'll call you later and pick you up, all right?
Oh, okay. That's fine.
It's okay by you, eh?
Yes.
Oh, please. Give me your number. Put it in yourself.
Done.
Okay. All right. Nancy, eh?
Yes, Nancy.
I'll call you and pick you up later, eh?
All right then,
Yes.
Rose. Bye-bye.
My regards to her. Amen. Look at. Miss see more later on, eh? Oh my God. Wife to be. Oh, you've seen your wife, man.
I don't have strength for
I just...
No. My dream, my biggest dream, like I've always told you, is to marry a rich man. And speaking of a rich man, babe, guess who I ran into today?
I'm not good at guesses. Just tell me who.
You're such a spoil sport. Anyway, let me just give you the gist. You remember 5 years ago, on our rag day, the guy that gave us loads of money?
Yes, I think I remember that incident. But I cannot place the guy's face. Yeah, continue.
Anyway. Well, since you remember the incident that could pass, well, I ran into the guy today in this plaza.
Which plaza?
This plaza, of course. And we exchanged contacts. Hey,
Wow.
babe.
I remember him for his generosity.
Oh, God. That guy is stupendously rich. He's super loaded. He's boxed. The kind of guy I want for myself as a husband. Oh.
Are you serious right now?
I have never been more serious, girl. You know what? If he asks me to marry him like right now, it's a yes. ASAP.
Kidding me?
Babe! This guy is cute. In fact, I'm in love.
Huh.
Yes.
You say you love him. Like how? I don't understand.
Yes, of course, I love him. But I told you. Remember? I told you in school that I was always thinking about him and all of that. And guess what? He said same. That he always had me in his mind, but he regretted not taking my number that day. And he prayed to God that, you know, maybe we could just meet or something. And somehow, divine providence stepped in. And we met again today.
He said all that.
He did. And he said that he was going to be taking me out on a date.
See my friend,
Babe,
fine girl.
babe, I can't wait because I want to be a rich man's wife. I am a rich man's wife.
See my girl.
Oh, phone is ringing, sorry. Who's this one? He might just be the one. Hello? Who is this, please? Nope. Well, I do not have a husband. Last time I checked, I was not married, please. Speak of the angel, Michael. Oh, is that really you? What did you just call me? Your love? Okay, it's fine. It means a yes. Yes! Babe!
What?
You're looking at the latest rich married woman in town. Babe! Babe! I told you I found a husband. You thought I was lying. Guess what? He just called me his love.
Wow.
I'm getting married. I'm getting married to a rich guy. Hey!
See,
We're going out on a date.
See how you're blushing. My girl is in love.
Babe! I'm a rich man. Hey!
Yeah. How you doing now? Yeah, you're welcome to my house.
Oh, wow. I knew you had money, or this is like, oh my God, you're rich, like real life rich.
This is my house.
This is beautiful.
Thank you so much.
You're doing well for yourself, I must confess.
Yeah, you can say that again. Thank you so much. But this is just a little. Go inside to house shop.
For real?
Every year is 2.
I can't wait to see.
It's what it is.
Okay, madam, welcome.
Hi. Hope you're good.
Yes. Come and see wonders. Eh? I love good This is the basement. Basement. Hey, yes. This is my main parlor. My main sitting room.
Wow.
Yes.
This is truly massive. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
But I left my bag at the other one. Should I just go get it?
Never mind. Just make yourself comfortable. Sit down, okay? I mean, it's your house.
It's nice though.
Thank you. Hey, you're welcome, eh?
Thank you.
So, what do you care for? Never mind. I know what to get for you.
What?
I know what you will like. Let me get something for you. Let me get it. Eh? I'm going to tell you why in a talata. You know? I know what beautiful girls like you will take. Hey. I know. Yes. It is here now. It is here.
So, my darling, how did your date with Michael go?
Euphemia.
That's why you called me like this. Everything didn't go down well.
I'm just highly disappointed.
What happened?
Everything happened. That guy was a huge disappointment.
How?
That cute, handsome guy. Total waste. It's a waste. Euphemia.
Lucy, tell me, what?
The guy is rich, but in the other room, 0 over 100.
What? That cute guy.
Euphemia. We made out. After he proposed to me, of course.
Oh, wow! Congratulations!
Well, thank you. And it was a total disappointment. Come on, Euphemia. It's 0. The guy is not good in bed at all.
So, tell me, are you still interested in marrying such a guy?
Yes.
I don't understand. You want to go ahead and marry a guy that cannot satisfy you in bed. What are you thinking?
I'll just find a way to walk around it. No.
Nancy, don't tell me you have the intention of cheating when you finally get married, because to me, being married and cheating is a no-no.
When I get to that bridge, I'll cross it. Besides, you want me to allow those riches just go to waste? You have no idea how rich Michael is, do you?
Nancy, money is not everything.
It's better to cry in a Benz than in a keke napep.
Are you sure about this? Like you've made up your mind?
So you been getting for mind before you marry Oga. See if you marry him, you go to cheat.
Exactly. Man, look at me. I have everything at my disposal. Do you know that I am every girl's prayer point? They all wish to be like me, not knowing what I have to endure in this marriage.
Now wow. But I get a question why I want to ask you. Abeg.
Humor me, Titus.
Before I begin the work for this house, no vex, no vex. I want to ask, a girl person will be dey service you?
Well, anyway, let me just tell you a small story. When I first came into this house newly, my husband used to have a very handsome gatekeeper who goes by the name Effiong. But you see, Effiong was a different breed. He wouldn't do it. You know, there's this anointing about him. He always keeps a pocket Bible around and he reads it page by page, whatever. So I craved for Effiong and wanted to keep him as my secret lover. But he wouldn't have any of it. So I decided to take it by force.
No vex. That part where you thought say you take him by force, what do you mean? I don't understand.
Well, I threatened him with a knife. I forced myself on him. But he left afterwards.
You rape him?
Well, I wouldn't call it that. I just forced myself on him. Oh my God. The proprietress. Why is she calling me? Hello, ma'am. Oh my God. I am so sorry. No, I'll be coming there right away to pick them up. Please, I'm sorry. Sure. Titus, baby, you have to go back to your duty post.
Eh?
Yes. I have to go pick up my kids from school. I forgot today is Thursday. And they dismissed by 2 p.m. Oh my word, oh my word.
Thompson, where are you driving at?
What I'm saying is that all men cheat.
I take an exception to that.
Now, tell me, Mikolo, tell me one man who doesn't cheat.
I do not cheat. Thompson, I do not cheat and you know that. I have a beautiful wife and kids. I am contented with my wife. Yes.
Mikolo, talking about your kids, have you ever taken a time to observe those kids properly?
What about them?
Wait. You are trying to tell me that you've not seen the striking resemblance between those kids and your gate man, Titus?
Thompson, you've seen yourself? Can you listen to yourself? What are you trying to insinuate? That my wife is cheating on me with that gate man?
Nicolo, see, you may be forming scent and, innocent and probably cool-headed and all that stuff. Why things are going on behind you? You need to open your eyes and see what is right before your face.
There is nothing to open my eyes about, Thompson. Look at my wife you're talking about. I mean, can you just imagine my wife. My wife is too classy to sleep with that gate man. What are you even saying? Aso Dogu will stoop so low to sleep with that gate man. It is not possible.
Nicolo, you're talking as if you don't know this gender. Don't you know women? Women can stoop Like, they could go at any length to satisfy their sexual urge. They could actually go as far as sleeping with a madman on the road.
Thompson is not my wife. It is not my wife, Thompson. Thompson, take a good... just... Thompson, I went all out there. Like, I went all out there to pick my wife. Very classy woman. So that my money will be reflecting on her. And you think she can stoop so low to a gate man? As rich as I am?
Look.
What are you talking about?
Look, are you trying to tell me that all these women that cheated on their husband, they are not assassins? These are people that you don't have to trust this gender. They can. I'm just asking you to open your eyes and see what's.
All your assumptions about my wife is wrong. Dikeh.
My bro, you need to open your eyes and see what is clear to your face.
What do you stand to gain? Thompson, what do you stand to gain? I see you. You're just trying to make me start suspecting my wife. So I will lose the peace and serenity and love I have in my home. What do you stand to gain? Listen, Thompson. Have I ever talked ill about Lucy? Have I ever done that?
That is because my wife Lucy doesn't cheat on me. She doesn't.
But you cheat on her. Does that make you a good or bad husband?
Nicolo, you know I'm an African man. I'm entitled to as many women as possible. I could even choose to marry 10. You can't compare me with the other gender. Stop it, bro. See, I just need you to open your eyes and see what is clear to your face. Why is that a big deal? As a friend, I'm just showing concern. Oh, come on. Stop acting like you're just one little boy that can't see things. Man.
Yes, darling.
Once again, what happened? You came today to pick us late.
Well, my darling, I am sincerely sorry. I was busy prepping for lunch when, I lost track of time. I didn't know it was past your dismissal time. I'm sorry.
Mom, did you just say lunch?
Yes, my love.
How could you be making another lunch when me and Samuel know you made lunch for us in the morning? Scoop portion of lunch, and now you're telling us you're making lunch. Huh.
Mom. Yes, darling.
My Sunday school teacher always says that liars go to hell.
She said so?
Yes. Mom.
Yes, baby.
You kept us waiting. Why is it that you always come pick us from school late when all the pupils have gone home? We'll not be looking at them like muggles when their parents are coming to pick them up. We'll be looking at them like fools. All because we're waiting for you.
I know, baby, and I'm sorry. I was busy with chores that I lost track of time. It shouldn't have happened. It was irresponsible of me, but I'm sorry, okay? The chores took my mind off it.
Did you just say chores?
Yes, chores.
Oh, you said choice, no longer making lunch. It's now choice. Choice! Mom, how could you be lying to us? How could you? You're just lying to us.
Baby, come on, you don't scream at mommy. I'm not lying to you. Okay?
You, of course you're lying to us, Mom.
Would you let me talk? Now, I was prepping lunch. And I wasn't even prepping lunch for today. I was prepping lunch for tomorrow. Okay? And I was, chopping onions, stuffs. And those are the chores. That has to do with the preparation of lunch, okay? So Mom doesn't tell lies. I would never, ever lie to you, okay? I'm truly sorry this happened. It will never happen again, I promise.
I think it's high time we tell them about this.
No.
Yes, of course.
No.
Mom, wait. It's been a long time you have been doing this. I don't get it. We look at other students get carried by their parents, and we look at them waiting for our own mom to come and pick us.
Well,
who does that?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come on, kids. You don't have to pit Daddy and I against each other. Huh? I got carried away.
You got carried
And
away.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I promise you, baby, it won't happen again. Okay? If it happens again, then you can tell that. But we don't have to bother him. You know he works a lot. I wouldn't want this to disturb him. Okay? I'm sorry.
We accept your apology, but
Oh, thank you, baby.
lie is obvious.
I'm not lying to you. I would never do that to you. You guys are my favorite kids in the whole world. Well, you are my only kid, so definitely my favorite. And guess what?
What?
Ice cream.
Yay!
Wow.
Yeah, so I'll just get you guys ice cream. So,
Oh, Mom, like, are we going straight there now?
if you want to, if you want me to just stop there, that's
No,
fine.
no.
What do you want, Samuel?
You want us to go home first and change and then go to the ice cream place.
Oh,
Okay,
Samuel.
that's fine. I think that's a brilliant idea.
Yeah,
Mom.
because Sandra,
Yes, baby.
Sandra, if you go there with your uniform, everybody will start looking at you. So we have to go and change.
Samuel has a point, so let's go home. You change into something perfect, and we go for ice cream, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Mom,
Yes,
promise.
baby, I promise you. And I love you.
Love you too.
Oh!
This food is cold. I don't like it.
How come Mom serve us cold food? I don't like this food again.
Same here.
I think Mom is preoccupied with something in this house that always make her come pick us late in school. What do you think, Sam?
I know my mom. She lies a lot. That's what I think about her.
Let's eat our food.
I'm going to manage it.
Me too.
It's not delicious, but I'm not sure it though.
Mom says it's delicious. A delicate meal. You will eat it too, whether you like it or not.
What am I doing?
This food is doing me. I should throw up.
I'll
What?
throw up now. Let me carry it.
Thompson is very stupid. I swear. You see how this Thompson, he's very mad. He's very mad. He's very mad. You see how this Thompson, man, no, you cannot. I think I should cut him off. That's what I should do. Yes.
That's why you're home so early. Did anything happen at the bank?
Nothing happened at the bank. You remember I told you the last time I wasn't feeling fine?
Yeah, I remember.
I fainted.
What?
Yes, baby.
You fainted?
Yes, then I was rushed to the hospital where the doctor carried out a test with my urine and I was confirmed pregnant.
What? You're pregnant?
Yes, baby.
I'm going to be a father.
Yes, I'm 3 months gone.
3 months gone?
Yes.
How come you didn't know?
Baby, you're the one asking me this question. You know, we've been battling with infertility for the past 3 years, coupled with the recent irregular menstruation. Baby, why the mood swing? This should make you happy. You should be happy about this.
Yes, I'm happy, babe. I'm happy.
Wait,
I'm going to be a dad.
Yes.
Are you saying I'm a good striker?
Yes.
Come here, baby. Come here.
can't believe what just happened. My wife is 3 months pregnant. Bro, I am dead serious. I came back to meet her sleeping. Bro, it is for real. After 3 years of waiting, I am finally going to be a dad. I am so excited. Look, Nico, I am very excited. Like, I have not been this excited for the past 3 years. I can't believe my eyes. Lucy is pregnant and I'm going to be a father. I'm so happy. Bro, see, I will meet you up. We'll have a lot of talking to do. I will celebrate all the celebration today. Let me just quickly cook for my wife and I'll meet you up. We'll have a lot of talking to do, okay? Alright. I'll see you later. Have a nice day.
Lucy, I came as soon as I heard the good news.
Thanks, my darling. Thank you so much. You know, at first I was thinking it was work stress that is making me physically unwell and wanting to, the desire to vomit. Not until the doctor confirmed that I'm pregnant.
Those magical words. Like, I know how it feels when you hear them. Congratulations, I am super excited for you.
Thank you, darling.
You're already glowing.
Thank you.
Congrats. I know what it means to be married for years without having a single child. I mean, it's not easy. Do you know, my elder sister, she was married for 12 years. 12 whole years. Nothing. You know, they did everything they could. They tried IVF, artificial insemination, you name it. They were begging God for just one child. One! So trust me, I am truly excited for you.
I feel for her. Thank you, my darling. Thank you so much. Thank you.
But in all this excitement, I feel it's time you take a break.
Yeah, well, I was given a permission from work, at least, to take some time off.
You mean you have your leave already?
Yes, 1 month to say. Yeah, 1 month.
1 month? Well, that's super good because, I mean, the baby will be developed by then and definitely to stay. Yeah. So, but joke apart, you need to take really good care of yourself.
Yeah, sure, I know. And I'm going to do that.
Lucy.
Yes.
Lucy.
Yes, I will do that.
Whatever you need to do to stay off stress, whatever you need to do to protect this one, please just do it.
I will protect it.
Are you sure?
Yes, baby.
I know your work as a banker can be very stressful.
See, I will protect it. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Well, I'm happy with good news. You know, I love good news, so.
Yeah.
This is incredible. What am I seeing? Are my eyes deceiving me? Holy Moses. The amount of food my daughter-in-law is dishing for this boy is totally incredible. I mean, this boy would never leave this compound, not even in the next 10 years. Because he's having fun, he's enjoying his food. I don't know if the one that pains me the most is the lovely dish that she's using to serve him. We, all of us within the house, we don't even eat the quantity she's dishing for him. And she doesn't even serve us in such beautiful dishes. Get in her feel. There's something going on. If I baraka. Very soon my son's money would finish. And it looks like this boy's intention is to finish my son's money.
Mommy, how are you? Very well, thank you, Mommy.
Good. I wanted to find out how many pieces of meat did you put for Titus?
Mommy, since when do you go about counting the pieces of meat I serve my gate man?
Well, what I saw was quite enormous, and I was wondering, is there any special thing he does around here that makes you overfeed him? I mean, come on. I know what I saw.
Well, I don't know what you're implying, but the only thing I know is the work of a gate man is pretty serious. It's not easy. The only reason I feed him that much is for him to eat well so he could do his job diligently.
I see. But it would be nice if you did that without emptying the source from where the money is coming from.
Well, my husband can never be broke. The money can't finish.
Well, that's what you think. But if you continue feeding Titus the way you've been doing, I don't understand it. You don't even feed us that way. If you continue in that light, then the money would finish. You see, your duty as a good wife is to help your husband conserve his money so that you people can use it for something tangible. Is that too much to ask for?
Mommy, the thing is, I just can't wrap my head around what you are trying to say. No, I can't seem to figure it out because even Jesus Christ, fed 5,000 people. He didn't even care if they were gate men or hairdressers or even old men or young women or even kids. He fed everybody without even discriminating. So I'm just trying to be open-minded to emulate what God did here on earth. So I don't...
You see yourself as Jesus
No,
Christ.
I'm just emulating him.
It's okay. With the long hair, you think you're actually Jesus Christ. Listen, you as somebody's wife, help him conserve his money.
And I perform my wifely duties more.
No, not rightfully. Try to be more conservative. Thank you.
And the army is complete.
Welcome. Yes, I have something for you.
Something?
Yeah.
Like what?
Are you questioning me, young lady? Then hold your horses.
Wow.
And this is for you. Yeah.
Mommy, where's my
Samuel.
Mom.
Well, my prince, I got you something. And this for you. Yes, baby.
But someone own is bigger than mine.
Well, it has nothing to do with being big. You say thank you. That's what this
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, okay.
Thanks, Mom.
And
Who has
What's
this one?
Is
it for Dad?
Yes, of course. Is this for that?
No.
Who?
This for Titus.
Mom, why must it be Titus? Why must it be Titus? Every time you keep buying things for Titus.
Mom. Why? Why do you hate giving Dad things and love giving the gate man things always like he's your brother or related by blood?
Objection, my lord.
Huh?
Come on.
Mom?
You told me what your teacher said, that all sinners would go to the lake of fire, right? And she taught you a couple of other things. And I'm sure amongst them, she said something like, love your neighbor as yourself, right?
Yes, of course.
And Titus is our neighbor.
And you want to love
Titus
your
more
neighbor more
Dad?
than my father?
Okay. And to answer your question,
Mom,
I got a surprise for your dad.
Mom, you
your
got
life
a
is
surprise
too
for
obvious.
my dad. And now, this package is for Titus. I don't think you will.
Young lady, you don't talk to your mother like that. I got your dad a gift.
Mom, it's a lie.
It's a surprise for him. And it's going to be delivered tomorrow. It's never too late. And you know what? I'm going to put you straight when I get in there. You don't talk to your mom like that. Titus, come. My love, I got you something. Yes. Careful, Titus, careful.
Madam,
Mm.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome, baby.
Let me get all these ones.
Oh, for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can go now. As for you, kids, where's that young lady? Susan! Samuel!
Woman on fire, with a burning desire. Woman on fire.
For me. Thank you, madam.
You're welcome.
Hey, madam, you won't kill me for this house. Hey. Chai. This madam, they treat me well for this house. So, eh? Come on, I drop fork. Now to drop this fork, I beg. Eh? The Titus, gate man. Now they chop food like this. Why I know we come fresh now? Huh? Why I know we fresh? They buy me clothes. They buy me canvas. Enough money there for the answer. Madam, if I leave you my bed. My baby. No, I'll take this one slow.
Always on fire, the burning desire.
I'll chop
She
this one
cannot
slow.
stay for the day without service. Woman on fire, she no fit control it. The burning desire. Oh, that is all that matters to her. Woman on fire, hey, her waist is always on fire. The burning desire. She cannot stay for the day without service. Woman on fire. She no fit control it. Burning desire.
gosh. Let me go wash up my makeup so I can sleep.
Baby, I'm not done. Just one more, okay? Just...
What?
Let's just catch a breather and we'll continue.
Jeez. I told you I had a long day at work today. And you were pleading and I said, okay, let's do it. And you had it 2 consecutive times with me and you're telling me you're not okay. Couldn't you at least allow your pregnant wife to rest, to sleep?
Baby, you know I have high libido. I need to satisfy myself too. Stop complaining. Let's just do this thing. You always complain.
Thompson, must you do it 4 to 5 times with me? Don't you know I am pregnant?
Okay, babe. You know what's going to happen? Just come and touch me. Just give me a BJ or something.
So because you have high libido, you want me to have a miscarriage?
Babe, okay. At least, I've been going from the back very gently. I've not been hard on you. Just relax. Let me satisfy myself too.
This is not food. Sleep! Since you don't want me to go wash off my makeup, sleep! Let me sleep! It's not food! Don't allow me, leave me, you're pregnant!
It's okay, baby, fine. I understand. Just come and give me a BJ. Babe, are you going to leave me like this? You mean to tell me that the wife I'm married left this house at 6 a.m. in the morning and she's not yet back? What am I supposed to do? Even now that I want to do, I can't even find her anywhere to do. Am I supposed to go out there and look for another girl to satisfy my urge? What is all this? Look at the time.
Hi, baby. Good evening. How was your day?
And what is good about the evening?
Why are you pissed? Did anyone make you angry at work or something? Did anyone upset you?
Look, Lucy, I have told you times with that number to quit your job at the bank. Why is it so difficult for you to do?
And be doing what at home? Why should I quit my job?
Quit your job and stay back home and take care of your husband and your family. Is that too big to ask?
You want me to quit my job and become a housewife or something?
And why can't you? Why? Why can't you quit your job and...
I will not do it. I will not quit my job. As a matter of fact, you met me in the bank. Oh. You married me as a banker. And now you want me to quit my job and become a housewife. I will not try it. I am not even thinking about it. I can't.
Oh, I see. What about Nancy, my friend's wife? Did she leave her career behind her to take care of her family and her husband? Why? Why? Why is it too big a sacrifice for you to make? Why?
Thompson, I am Lucy. I am not Nancy, and you don't expect us to behave alike. I will not quit my job.
And why can't you behave like Nancy? I'm asking you to behave like her. I'm your husband. Quit your job and take care of your house. What is all this? I married you to take care of me and the house. You don't even, satisfy me in bed anymore. I want to make love to you. You'll be laying down like a log of wood. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to go out there and look for another girl and satisfy myself? What is it?
Oh my gosh. You know what? You're crazy.
Oh, I'm crazy. Because I'm telling you the truth. I'm not crazy, right? I cannot just tell you what to do in this house. Just stay back home and take care of me. Is it my fault that I want you always? Can't I just have my way? Am I supposed to go out there and look for another woman? What is all this? Just quit the damn job and we can have peace in this house. You can't. What nonsense? Every day you make me talk. You make me talk every day. What nonsense? Bank job, my food. Oh, you're so hot.
Really?
I enjoyed every bit of it.
Are you for real?
Yeah. Let's go another round.
Babe, wait. We just finished the fourth round now. At least let's have some moments.
I know, I want some more. Look, I paid for this and I see no reason why you're complaining. Just allow me to enjoy myself and enjoy my money. I'm not tired, I want some more.
Are you for real?
What? What is the problem? Look, you have to relax and allow me have my way. I want some more. I like it a lot. Is it a bad thing? I like it. Just relax, okay?
Babe, wait.
What is going on here? So, this is what you do while I am away?
Babe, just... Calm down, please.
Babe, where is she?
Will you shut up? Who is your babe?
Your girlfriend? Your harlot is calling you babe right in front of your wife?
It's not what you think. It's not what, please. Just calm down, please. Please.
Your wife? Did I hear her say your wife? So you are married? And you told me you are not married?
Shut up! Hey, shut up!
So you told her that you're not married?
I'm sorry. It's not what you think.
Thompson, you told her that you're not married?
Please, just relax. I can handle this. I promise you I'll handle it.
And what are you still doing here? Will you get out from my house?
Babe.
Get out!
Just calm down, please.
Get out!
Please, calm down.
Dress up what?
Just calm down. I need you to calm down. I know what I did was despicable and I can't even explain myself, but please forgive me. Don't leave me, please. I beg you. Forgive me. I know bringing a hookup girl to a matrimonial bed is wrong, but I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. Don't leave me.
I am done. When I say I am done with you.
Please forgive me. Please don't leave.
If a soothsayer had told me you would bring a prostitute on our matrimonial bed, I wouldn't have believed it. After everything,
please.
And you're begging me to stay.
I accept my wrongs. I know what I did was very wrong, but please, don't leave with our baby, please. Don't leave with our unborn child. For the sake of our unborn child,
baby
please.
doesn't need a father like you. Please. I am going very far away from you.
No.
My baby doesn't need a man like you. You cannot father my baby. I'm sorry. Nobody like you. My baby does not need nobody like you. I'm sorry. You will hear from my lawyer.
The sake for the sake of our baby, please don't leave, baby. Please. Please. My please. What have I done to myself? I have set my own house on fire. Now, Lucy has left with my unborn child. What do I do? And I was having this strange feeling that Lucy was going to virgin on me, but I was too daft to pay attention to my own spirit. Now what do I do? Let me call her again. Call her again and see. Why is the off? Oh my God. Hello? Yeah, hello, Michael. Michael, look, there is fire on the mountain. Yes, Lucy bashed in on me with some hookup girls on our matrimonial bed. Bro, I don't know what came over me. I've been calling her, but her number has been off. Okay, I'll keep trying then. I'll keep trying. Alright. Hello, Michael. Yeah, I've not been able to sleep since last night. I've called her, her number is still switched off. I even called her family, they say they've not seen her. I don't even know what to do anymore. Alright, I'll keep trying. I'll just probably go out and look for her, I don't know, Alright, no problem, thank you very much. Alright.
Who be that? I dey come. Ah, Mama? You're welcome.
What's that your name again?
It's Titus.
Titus? How many times have I told you that your name is Titus? Titus, and you say Titus with so much pride. Anyway, how are you and how's your work?
Fine, ma.
Good. Is my son in with the rest of the family?
Oga no dey o, he been comot, but madam and the children dey.
Oh, really? Okay then, lead the way.
Oh, Grandma!
Look at my grandchildren, all grown. What have they been feeding you on?
Grandma,
food. Food. I know it's food, but it's ridiculous. Look at you. And look at you. So good to see you. So where's your mother?
She's upstairs.
Call her for me.
Mom! Mom! Mom, call her.
Wow. So how are you?
Hi.
Mom! Oh, my journey was good.
Oh.
So what were you doing when you came in?
We're playing.
I hope you never forget to study.
Yes, ma'am.
All right?
Yes.
Mommy!
Oh, my dear.
You're here.
Oh, you're welcome.
Welcome, ma.
Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much. Yeah.
But Mommy, you didn't tell us you were coming.
Well, you know we're on holidays, so I decided to come spend my holidays with my grandchildren.
Yay! But at least you should have called us to inform us about your coming.
Nancy, do you have a problem with that?
No, not at all. I'm just saying, at least, Mommy, who would have gotten the guest room ready for you?
I see. I'm not a guest.
Yes.
I'm part of the family.
True. Sandra, Samuel, take Mama's bag to the guest room.
Okay.
While I just fix us something to eat in the kitchen. Okay. Mommy, I'll get you water first. Then I'll fix you something to eat.
Children, be back.
Okay.
ASAP, I got a new tale for you.
Whoa!
Oh, these children, they never get tired of stories.
Dad.
Hey.
Dad.
Yeah, my cuties. How are you all doing?
We are fine.
Yeah, I can see you guys are fine. Awesome. Yes.
Guess what?
What?
Grandma Q.
Whoa, where's she?
She's inside.
Inside. I know she bought a lot of things, right?
Yes. I'm not sure.
Who kept for me?
cook up something for me. I know you will. And you, big head. Come on. Come on, big head, I know. Hey, babe.
Welcome.
What are you doing up here? You should be downstairs with Mom.
And what will I be doing with Mom downstairs?
You left the keys with her. At least you should be there keeping her company.
That's the problem. Why would your mom barge in on us?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Your mom keeps barging in on us. Listen, she cannot just wake up one morning, take a shower, pick up her traveling luggage and just travel all the way down to my house without even calling first.
That's my mother you're talking about. And this is her son's house. You expect her to write a letter before come visiting?
This is the 21st century, Michael. Yes! The last time I checked, there's something called phones, of which she's accustomed to. So it is only natural that she picks up a phone, call us to tell us that she's coming. It's as simple as that.
What's even wrong with you? Is it not a crime for my mother and my siblings to come visiting? Huh?
Michael, you are a married man. You have a wife and you have kids. It is imperative that your mother or your siblings call, follow the right process, pick up their phone, call. It's as simple as that.
Oh, really? But your people troop in and out of this house. I do not complain. Why is mine different? Huh?
Well, Michael, let me school you because my people are civilized. They actually understand the rules concerning marriage. So they do pick up their phones to call before coming. Unlike your people who just barge in whenever they feel like it.
Now you listen and listen attentively. Nancy, the woman you're talking about, is my mother. And she played a vital role in my life. Nobody, I repeat, nobody can ever come between my mother and I. Let her get into your skull.
Nobody's trying to come in between you, Michael. Your mother should understand that you're married. Except she didn't want you to get married in the first place. Then perhaps you should just stay with her and maybe marry her or something. Not bring me here to come and listen to your mother yap all the time.
Nancy, you've been so cold since my mother came, and I do not know why.
Well, it hurts really bad that you take some certain decisions without even consulting me. Why am I then your wife?
Nancy, you need to give my family open arms, especially my mother. She means a lot to me.
Michael, we do need some privacy.
My mother sacrificed a lot for us. Cut her some slack, please. If you truly love me, Nancy, you must love and appreciate my mother. She sacrificed a lot for my siblings and I when we lost our father. She stopped at nothing to make sure we all went through the four walls of the university. She sold her car. She sold her jewelries. She sold her wrappers to make sure we're all graduates. When I graduated from Imo State University, I searched for jobs to no avail. Until my mother came up with the plan of me traveling to the UK.
She sold her properties just to make sure I leave this country for greener pasture. I am who I am today because of that widow downstairs. I am rich today because of her sacrifices. Nancy, please, I beg you. If you truly love me, accommodate, love, and appreciate my mother.
Why are you talking as if I do not love your mother? I love her. The only thing I'm asking, and I don't think it's too much, is for her to just give us prior notice before she comes. That's it.
It was all my fault. She called me, actually, but I forgot to tell you.
How would you forget such a thing?
See, you can't catch the ball. Throw it.
Something is not right. Something is just not right here. I mean, look at Samuel. Look at Sandra. There's a striking resemblance between them and Titus. This had better not be what I am thinking. But how do you explain this resemblance? Oh. If Titus really fathered these children, that means my son is not capable of fathering a child. Hey, I need to get to the bottom of this. No, I just have to get to the bottom of it. It doesn't make sense to me. Not a bit.
Okay, let's go and sit with Grandma.
No, I'm hungry.
What do you say?
I'm hungry.
Is it not now we just finished eating? Now you're telling me you're hungry.
This game takes a lot of energy. I'm exhausted. I need to refill.
Go and tell that to Mom. When she will put your head inside the pot of food, you will have sense.
This is my dad's house. I eat when I want to.
The problem I have with you, Samuel, is that you eat too much. What is there between you and food? Always you like eating food. This boy, I beg.
Hey, Thompson, this one body they shake you. You've been feeling some type of way.
My guy,
what's happening?
You need to see your guy yesterday. Yesterday, I met some baddies in town. These girls are so beautiful. I took them home and I have a threesome. Like, We had a beautiful twosome. These girls were all over me. One of them was giving me a BJ, and the other one was just busy playing with my nipples. Bro, you need to see your man last night. I was living in heaven right here on earth. It was something magical, bro. Like, you need to have this experience with me.
Thompson, you had two sons.
Yes.
You slept with two women.
And I had so much fun doing it.
You call that fun?
Yes, of course.
That's very wrong. That's so bad, Thompson. All the enjoy. Yes, yes.
I was only enjoying myself.
Enjoying yourself? You've not changed. Thompson, you're still the same person. You have not changed. You better change before it's too late.
Like, I'm a man. I'm supposed to enjoy my life to the fullest. I mean, this life has no duplicate.
Do I look like a joker to you? No, tell me what a responsible man like me will be doing with an irresponsible man like you. You go corrupt my memory card, though.
Bro,
I didn't tell you.
I'm just talking about you having some fun.
Having some fun.
Life is meant to be enjoyed.
Just spare me that, Thompson. Spare me that.
What is it?
You need to change your ways. There is no life there, Thompson. Bro. Look at you. The same life that led you to losing your wife.
I should stay sober.
For crying out
Am I not supposed
loud,
to enjoy myself?
God blessed you with a beautiful woman in and out. But your stupid character led to have 7 you divorce papers. As we speak, you don't even know where your wife and your unborn child is.
Look. My wife is beautiful, no doubt. And these other girls are beautiful too. I mean, think about it, bro. It's just some little fun. There is nothing
like fun there. Thompson, every time you come to my office, you talk about girls. I am a businessman. Let's talk about business. Other than discussing about wife, telling me about your escapades. I don't need it. Listen, Thompson, Biko, well, anything concerning escapades, solemn, Thompson.
Well, is it bad for me to discuss my escapade with my friend?
It is very, very bad. It is very, very wrong.
Moreover, we don't do the same business. What am I supposed to be discussing with you that is the money bag? What is it?
Thompson.
Anyway, I'm sorry. I have to get into town. I have some catch-ups to do with my babes. We have some fun fit night. I wanted to invite you, but from the look of things, you're already, telling me off. So, I'll see you later.
This man is sorry.
So, Michael is no longer okay with my lifestyle. This is actually funny. Like, how is it my fault that I have high sexual libido? Like, how is it my fault? Lucy is the cause of all this. She wasn't able to handle my sexual life. And how is it my fault she left me? Like, how? Anyway, I'm not going to kill myself because my wife left me. I'm going to keep living. But Michael, anyway, he's all good. I just have to keep living. There.
Baby. Baby, are you in the restroom? Are you there? My wife, I'm drinking water. Ah. Baby, are you back?
Mm.
Okay. Why are you removing my hand? What are 8? We need to make another baby. Come on. Come on.
Woman on fire, with a burning desire. Woman on fire, a burning desire. Le 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 le. Anybody she sees with 3 legs, so.
Thompson, thank God you're here. My head is filled up. Honestly, I am between the devil and the blue sea.
What is it that is bothering you so much?
Thompson, my wife complains I don't satisfy her in bed.
Look, Nicole, you know I don't support evil when it comes to things like this. You and I know that you cannot satisfy a woman in bed right now. I mean, sometimes you need to just do away with this money, business stuff whenever you're with your wife and focus on her and give her some good deed.
Thompson, the woman, am I going to kill myself on top of my wife?
Bro, the only
I am just hustling, struggling to take care of myself and my family.
It doesn't stop you from satisfying your wife. Whenever you're with your wife, just look, my friend. Just give your wife some good deed. For just that moment, do away with all the business, all the money stuff, and focus on your wife. It's her right. You need to perform your conjugal rights as a married man. Oh, think about it.
I just want to build a legacy that will keep my children even when I'm gone.
Look, Nicolo, I'm telling you now, you would not listen because you're very stubborn. No man has the monopoly for wisdom. We're all learning every day. Just think about it. You won't die and take this money along with you. I mean, she deserves some good and quality time from her husband.
You. Look at you. Big madam.
Flesh and blood.
It's truly good to have you here.
Yeah, me too. My friend,
Oh.
rich man's wife.
Well, you can say that again. But, I didn't know you were expecting.
Yes.
Good definitely looks good on you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I hope Nelson is as good as you are.
You know what they say, marry your friend.
Oh.
I married my best friend, a sweet soul. Nelson is just the best. He's doing great.
Well, you guys have come a long way. I mean, from way back in campus.
Yeah. You know, I actually saw something in him, even as a post student way back then. That was why I went for him.
And to think I'd actually tried to cajole you to, leave the relationship.
You couldn't have, because I saw something in him, something that no other person could have seen. You see, after youth service, you find it so hard to get a job. I was even planning to give him all the money I have, all my savings. But you know what happened? He said no. He refused.
For real?
Yeah. He rather went to his father and cajoled him to sell their only landed property. That was how he went into oil and gas.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's how Nelson actually got into oil and gas.
Exactly.
Wow. I mean, the same guy called poor is now stinkily rich.
Yeah, that's why they say in life, don't look down on anybody. Because our lives and the lives of others are in God's hand.
You can say that again.
As you already know, we stay in Abuja, our own private house. Nothing so fancy, just a storied place.
Something.
Then we have plazas and filling station all over the place in Abuja, Port Harcourt, and Lagos.
Wow.
And that is exactly what brought us to Asaba. My husband is actually building a filling station and a plaza here.
Real?
Yes, my friend.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You deserve this and more. I mean, look at you. You've been really there. You're a good person. You have a great and likable personality.
Thank you.
And come on, Nelson, you guys are a match made in heaven. And you've been there with him through thick and thin. Unlike me though, who her only dream was to actually marry an already made man, which right now I regret it. Truthfully, I regret it. I truly regret it.
How do you mean? What do you mean? What's happening? I cheat. You cheat? You cheat? Wait, you mean you cheat on your husband?
I sleep with a gate man, Titus.
Oh, slow down. Wait, you cheat on your husband with your gate man? Oh, no, now, Nancy. Can't you do something like that? Sleeping with your gate man? Oh, come on. I thought you're classy.
I'm suffering. I'm going through a lot emotionally.
Oh, sleeping with your gate man is a no-no. See, let me tell you, whatever you do, you need to put a stop to it. You need to stop it. See, I knew you were going to cheat. I knew it. But with your gate man, you need to fire him.
I can't. That's the only reason I'm still in this marriage. Else I would have walked away. I just wish I could just leave this marriage for good.
Nancy, you need to fire your gate man.
I can't. I just told you I can't.
See, put emotions by the side and stop being biased. Fire him. Because you know what will happen if Michael gets to find out that you cheat with your gate man.
Well, I have everything under control. He won't find out. You think you do? It's not my fault that this is happening. Besides, you remember the wife of my husband's best friend?
Lucy?
Yes, Lucy. She left her husband because he's a sex maniac. Wow. And here I am. My husband cannot even do it. So, what do you want me to do?
Wait, you mean Thompson and Lucy are divorced?
They're not together. I thought I told you.
No, you did not. But even at that doesn't give you the right to be sleepy. You're stooping so low to be doing it with your kids, man. Stop it.
I just told you, that gate man is the only reason I'm still in this marriage.
Nancy, life is a roller coaster. See, it's high time you removed the hand of the monkey from the pot before the unprecedented happens. Think about it. Please, my friend.
Who's that? Hold on, I'm coming.
Oh, hello. Thank you.
Yeah, make yourself at home.
Of course.
Oh.
Hi.
So, to what do I owe this pleasant visit?
Well, I just thought to come say hello to you, you know.
Oh, that's nice. So, what do I offer you? I have whiskey, champagne, wine.
Anything strong will do.
Something strong. I think whiskey would do, right?
Perfect.
I'll be right back.
Sure.
Yeah.
Perfect.
All right.
Full stop. No, I said full stop, so you have to wait. Let me play another one. Oh.
You see, you don't even have the game.
You know, I'm already winning in this game, right?
I never told you you're winning. Story, keep playing.
I'll show you that I'm the boss in this game.
Be bragging. Stop making mouth. I'll show you I'm bigger than you in this game. And you please older than you.
Stop dreaming, little sis. Games have nothing to do with age.
Are we still on this matter?
Yes, Grandma.
Please fetch.
Stop.
Call your mother for me.
She drove out.
When?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Sorry, I already opened it before.
It's okay.
So we can just share from it. I'll give you some.
It's okay.
Alright, this is for me.
Super harsh.
Yeah, some good stuff.
Yes, for powerful men like yourself.
Yeah, good stuff.
On you, you look super powerful and handsome.
Well, thank you, Nancy.
Well, tell me, how are you coping without Lucy? How is she?
Well, I've not heard from her since she left.
That's really sad. I mean,
One of those things.
yeah, I know, but I have a question that's been, you know, troubling me. Oh, the weather is super hot. And, you know, it goes round and round in my mind as to, I mean, it's hot, don't you think? It's pretty hot. So I'm just wondering how someone
could have someone so...
Nancy, stop it. Stop it.
I mean, why?
What's the meaning of this? Wait, you mean you came all the way to this place to seduce me and have me go to bed with you?
Well, you wouldn't blame me. The only reason I came is that I have heard that you do supernatural things to this other girl. So I want you to do me really well to my satisfaction and more over and over again, you know.
Well, Nancy, sorry to disappoint you. I, Thompson, cannot do such a thing to my friend, knowing fully well that he will not do the same to me. Oh, they told you that Thompson is a dog, and you came straight away to have me.
Well,
is that it?
A good dog at that. Listen, this is Nancy here, and there is no way Michael is gonna find out if you don't tell him. And I trust gentlemen don't tell, do they?
The same way he's not going to find out what you've been doing with Titus, the gate man. Right?
Talk. Are you okay? What was the meaning of this? Do you have evidence to back up your claim?
Look, let me tell you for your information. I also know that those kids do not belong to Michael.
Hold it right
but
there.
Titus, the gate man.
Hold it right there.
Don't act like you don't know what I'm saying.
What are you even saying? Because you're saying gibberish, you're talking gibberish, you're talking in a nonsense. Like, are you trying to accuse me or tell me that Titus is the father of my children?
You better stop stuttering and stammering. I know fully well. Look.
You know what? This is going long enough.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to leave.
You're trying to leave this place?
Yes, I am leaving.
You are not leaving this place.
I am.
Look, if you know, I have everything on voice record.
What? What are you even talking about?
Look.
Stop! Boss, you have to stop that.
I am not stopping anything. Look, I have you on record and I have evidence. Stop! Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Look, as you can see, I have evidences and I also have a voice record of our conversation today. You cannot deny it that you came to seduce me in this house today. Now leave my house. Nancy, I said leave my house now before I do something stupid. I said leave my house. What are you trying to do? You want to fight me in my house? No. Now can you peacefully leave my house before I do something stupid?
Okay.
Leave!
I'll leave. Thompson.
I said leave! Don't touch me!
I don't know what came
Alright. Alright. You go. Okay. Who is laughing with you? So you want your grandma to pick too? So what do you? Well, by the way, your mom is not back yet, right?
Yes. You know she went to visit Auntie Femia. Auntie Femia is in town.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, I see. It's just that it's taking so long.
Grandma is right. She's gone for hours. She would have been home by now. I'm hungry.
Let's hear word.
Nah, you and food. You just love food.
Mama, don't mind him. You don't know this boy. Him and Titus, no different.
Him and Titus? Why do you say that?
The gate man loves to eat a lot of food. The way mom gives him food, you think him and mom are siblings?
Why? Nah, you're a foodie, you know.
This is my daddy's house. I eat when I want to.
Oh.
That is what you are, nothing but a foodie.
But you know, you remind me so much of Titus. Aside, you know, the eating, there's so much resemblance between both of you. You love to eat, your complexion goes with his own. Some of your mannerisms, you know. There's something about you that reminds me of Titus. And yet, you people are not related by blood.
Yes, we are not related by blood. It grew closer to him every time.
You people should stop complaining. Because I'm not even eating as I'm supposed to be eating in this house.
Tell her about you people.
Sorry, Mom.
No, I thought you would have not apologized.
Just as rude as Titus.
But you safe, you are so thin. Why can't you eat?
Did I tell you I want to eat like you and get fat?
Yes.
Enough. You don't quarrel when grandma is there. Are we playing this game or not?
We're playing.
Go to market. Pick 2.
I've already picked 2.
Oh yeah, play.
I need again.
You need what?
I need circle.
Sam, stop disturbing your fellow human.
If you don't have circle, go to the market.
Now where? Mom is back!
Well, that's the end of the game. Be careful.
Mom, what is it? Mom!
Nothing.
Nancy. Are you okay?
No, this is it.
I'm fine.
Nancy, do you want to talk about it?
Mom, what is the problem? You can tell us.
No, I don't want to talk about it, and please, everyone should just leave me alone. Let me be. Nobody should bother me.
Mom! Something is definitely wrong with Mom.
But she refused to spill it. So how do we get to know what is actually wrong with her when she refused to tell us?
It's okay, children. Let your mother be. She's battling with some traumatic challenges. I bet you she'll get out of it sooner than you think.
I hope so.
Well, do we go outside and continue with the game?
I'm tired. I want to eat.
Foodie.
You're such a rude little boy. You sigh when your grandmother says something. Are you stupid?
Are you an enemy of food? Why do you hate food?
Why do you love food?
I love food because food is sweet. And she hates food. I don't know why.
Grandma, please excuse me.
Sandra, come back here.
Foodie, go back there. Mr. Foodie. Let me see your backside. Pull up your shirt. Just right.
Grandma, it's not my fault.
My marriage is about to crumble before me. What have I gotten myself into? Oh my God. I have succeeded in destroying what is left of the sham I call marriage. What becomes of me if this gets out? Michael will have my head if Thompson should open his wide mouth. My husband, I know, will throw me out with a snap of his finger. No. I cannot afford to walk out of an 11-year-old marriage just like that. I practically brought this upon myself. Why did I even go to Thompson in the first place? What was I thinking? I'm finished.
Woman on fire, with a burning desire. Woman on fire, a burning desire. Le 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 le. Anybody she sees with 3 legs, so she want to chop, she want to chop. She know they look your face all class, she wants the rod, she wants the rod. Oh Ghana, 1 minute man, she no fit manage you. Her body's always on fire, she needs attention down the air. Woman on fire, hey, her waist is always on fire. With a burning desire, she cannot stay for a day without service. Oh, woman on fire, she don't fit control it. Burning desire, oh, yeah. She just the chuku chuku, she just the waka waka. One day for the thief, another day for the owner. Oh, she know they send your love. She know they send the advice.
Huh. What is it? What?
Yesterday was the worst day of my life.
What happened?
Thompson threw me out of his house.
Thompson? How?
After you left, I went to his house to seduce him. You know, I wanted him pants down.
Wait, Nancy. You did what? What has come over you?
Is this what marriage has turned you into? A cheap whore?
"11 years. 11 years of my marriage is about to just crumble right before me. Everything is about to be ruined. I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know he was recording our conversation. I didn't know that he had taken pictures of me barely cladded. I didn't know. I didn't.
Let me understand something. You took your bath, you dressed up, and drove to Thompson's house just to seduce him. I can't wrap my head around the woman you've become.
Neither can I. Because if Michael finds out, I'm done for.
You should have thought about that.
You went to your husband's best friend's house to seduce him just to get a feel of that thing in between his legs.
Well, in my defense, the guy is practically very good in bed. I mean, come on. You know what? And my mother-in-law being here, she's not even helping matters. She's blocking everything. I had to do something. And don't bring in God. Don't judge me, please.
I'm not judging you. Nancy, I'm not judging you. I don't want to say I warned you, but yes, I warned you. I remember telling you, do not marry a man that is not appealing to you. But what did you tell me? I want to marry a rich man. Just look at what is happening now.
Well, it's water under the bridge. It's been 11 years of marriage. What do you want me to do?
I just need you to help me, please.
Thank you, guys.
Uncle Thompson!
Sandra. Samuel, how are you?
We're fine.
Where's Grandma?
She's inside.
Okay, let's go inside.
Thompson! Hi, Lucy.
She's fine.
Nice. Kids, go inside while I have a short discussion with your uncle.
Okay.
I can see you're here to make good on your trend. What was that about?
And what are you talking about?
About you coming to look for my mother-in-law.
Is it about what you've been doing in this house with Titus?
Do you have proof? Do you actually realize that I could sue you for defamation of character?
Are you actually raising your voice at me? Are you? Now, read my lips. I, Thompson, will expose you. Just wait till Michael comes back from China from his business trip. Then you understand what I can do. You adulterous and cheating woman. How dare you?
Mind what you say to me. Listen, Thompson. I understand I messed up by coming to you in the first place, but I would not have you come to my house to spew trash about me to my husband or to his mother.
Are you actually raising your voice at me?
You know what? I've had enough of this. Leave. Get out. Get into that rickety car of yours and get out of this place. Get out.
As a matter of fact, you are the one who will be leaving this house soon. And I will be here on that day to laugh at you.
Yes, let's wait till that day. Now, leave!
I will leave. I'll definitely leave, but I will make sure I expose you. And remember, I do have evidences. We shall see.
You know better than to threaten me, Thompson, because I will match you toe for toe. Don't you dare me.
How do I fix this? How do I fix what is broken? If I understand what Thompson is up to, it's a calculated move to get me out of my marriage. But I caused all of this. If I had not gone to him, he wouldn't pose as a threat to my marriage the way he is right now. What do I do? What? What do I do? Michael, no. Michael shouldn't get a wind of this. Else, I'll be doomed for life. How do I fix this? How do I fix that which is broken? If I understand Thompson correctly, this is a calculated move to get me out of my marriage. No. What do I do? What do I do? Okay. What? Michael shouldn't find out about this. No. If he does, I'm doomed for life. It won't happen. It won't happen.
Yeah, baby. What's up?
I'm good. I did microwave some chicken wings.
Oh,
Should
okay.
they get it for you?
Yeah, let's get.
Okay, let Titus help. Titus!
Yes, baby. Hey.
What was that? What's the meaning of that?
My friend, will you come? Titus, what was your response when she just called you?
I say, madam.
Are you trying to say I didn't hear you clearly? What did you just say?
Hey. A slip of tongue, a slip of tongue.
Nancy, do you have any explanation to this mess?
What am I supposed to say? I'm as shocked as you are. I don't know what's going on.
Titus, who is your baby? Will you answer me if I strangle you? I am going to drown you in this pool. Who is your baby? Come on, sir. Will you answer me properly?
Organa mistake.
What kind of mistake? What kind of mistake?
Organa mistake.
What kind of mistake? What did you just call my wife?
Organa mistake. This is not mistake. Hey!
And you don't see. They don't even like here. Are you sleeping with my gate man? What is going on?
What is this? What is this?
What is what?
Titus, can you say it? Can you say it? Because of you, my husband is beginning to accuse me.
Can you say it?
Are you stupid?
Can you say it?
It's a mistake,
madam.
Organa mistake. What kind of dirty and useless silly mistake is that?
Slip of tongue.
What kind of dirty slip of tongue? I will cut off your tongue.
Slip of tongue in my own house. Slip of tongue before your madam. Your madam, baby. Does she look like your girlfriend or your wife? Does she look like your girlfriend or your wife?
What kind of nonsense is this?
Madam, mistake, Organ.
Baby,
I know
we met them. And Nancy, you're trying to tell me nothing is going on between you.
What kind of talk is that one now? You better start talking. What is this?
Let's begin it. Let's begin it. Listen.
You don't want to commit murder. You don't
Now
want
listen
to
to me.
conscience.
Listen to me. Pack everything that belongs to you
Just get
out of
out.
my house.
Leave.
Before I will strangle you.
They follow me reach here too.
No, they follow you reach here.
Get out! What is wrong with I said get out. Leave. Leave.
You too. Madam, you say my get out.
Leave!
You. My get out.
I said,
me.
Didn't you hear my husband? Get your stuff and get out. Leave.
No, Wala. I'll get out. Ma go pick my things. No problem.
Are you stupid? Is that the get? Titus!
I don't understand. My wife is talking to you and you're talking back at my wife. Are you mad? Look at this stupid boy. Look at this stupid boy. You're talking back at my wife. Okay, no problem. Get the enemy. I don't want to baby. Baby, how? In my own house. Come. Yeah?
Michael must know these bombshells, really. He must know the kind of woman he married and kept in his house and has been trusting all these years. I mean, I've been waiting for him to come back from this travel so I can actually tell him everything this woman has been doing under his nose. What kind of woman is this? Like, who does that? What kind of woman is this? I mean, how can Michael be so blinded not to see that these kids don't even look like him? They don't even look like him. Huh? But they look like Titus the gate man and he's so blinded to see. I have to go and tell him everything. I can't stay back and watch another woman fool my friend like nothing is going on. Huh? Thank God he's back. Let me go and explain everything to him.
What is that boy still doing in there? Hey, Titus! If I come in there to meet you, it is going to be horrible. Will you just come out from that house? Nonsense. What the hell? What the hell is wrong with you? What are you doing?
Can you say I go inside, carry everything will be my own? Then follow. I don't carry them. Come here. Come here.
Nancy, so all I have been hearing about you and Titus is true, right?
I can explain.
You can explain what?
Okay. You supposed to thank me for this house. You supposed to thank me. Say na me they do the work where you know fit do. Me will be Titus. Na me born these children. Na me born them. Me na no worry. Me na me the service madam. For your bed though, on top your bed though, for inside parlor, for kitchen though, even for bedroom say me and the bath. Na me.
Jesus.
I said it. I said that these children do not resemble my son. That they resemble Titus.
Person wey talk say you know sabi do. Na she dey here na. She thought say she marry you because say you get money. Now she come meet me say my dey service am. I come dey service am na part of the work.
That is why she snuck out of the house that night and entered the gate man's house and slept with you for over 30 minutes, moaning and saying, oh, Tai, I'm enjoying the rotten smell, the sweaty smell from your body. That was what she was saying.
Mommy.
Yes, Nwa.
You knew?
Please forgive me. You know,
Jesus!
Jesus wasn't there. I was the one that saw them. Please forgive me. I don't know what came over me. I was not like this before.
I see. I even tried to tell you. In short, I remember when I tried to tell you, when I tried to talk, you wouldn't listen. And then you, Nancy, I confronted you with same guinea.
There's a question I've been meaning to ask you. Okay, what is it? Are you cheating on my son? Oh my God. What sort of rhetorical question is that? Well, it's obvious that you're sleeping with your kids, man. What are you even saying?
What is the problem? Is my son sterile? Impotent? I mean, is that why you decided to allow the gate man father your children?
Mommy, please. Please. I am not sleeping with my gate man. In fact, I love my husband. I can't even hurt him. Please, stop. What's this?
What do you know about love? Love doesn't hurt. Love doesn't ask questions. Yet you have the guts to sleep with your husband's gate man, for him to father the 2 children you have. It's obvious that those children don't belong to my son. No resemblance. Not physically, not in any way.
Mommy, I take it that you've just come here to insult me. But it's fine, you're my husband's mother and I can just let it slide.
You know, this is...
Then again, I am not sleeping with my gate man. I haven't slept with my gate man. And your son, Mama Michael is the father of my children. Full stop.
This is actually between you and I. And I will ask you for the last time. Are you sleeping with the gate man?
I am not sleeping with the gate man.
My goodness! I am finished. I am totally finished.
Please,
Oh my goodness! Leave me alone! Get your filthy hands off my foot! Mommy, so you knew? Mommy, you knew Nancy, this evil girl, has been cheating in my house with this stupid man and you kept it to yourself?
Now, what would I say? The next thing now, they'll say this wicked mother-in-law has broken up a very happy marriage. I tried directly, indirectly to tell you, but you wouldn't listen. He didn't love. He didn't love.
Can you listen to yourself? Can you listen to yourself? What you did isn't what a reasonable mother should do in situations like this. Tell me. No, tell me. Hi. God of Nazareth, I am finished. Was it what Thompson said? He is coming to share with me. He knew Thompson.
What's going on here? What's going on?
I'm finished. Thomas, I'm finished. They are not my kids. She has been cheating on me.
I told you. When I told you, you were doubting me. Mama, I told him that these kids do not look like him. But he was doubting me. I said everything. Eh? I told you this one is a serious cheat. See, do you know your wife even came to my house to seduce me? Do you know? Am I lying? I have evidence.
I'm finished.
Nancy, where have I gone wrong, Nancy? Where have I gone wrong in your life? I sacrificed everything for your family. I built a house for your family. I sent your brothers abroad and made sure they succeeded. What have I not done for you? Every day I am out there struggling, grinding to make sure you and the kids are alright. All you could do, sleeping with someone gets mad. I will never forgive you. I will. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Allow me to kill you. Thompson, leave me. Leave me, Thompson. Thompson, leave me. Thompson, allow me. Thompson, finish. Imagine I have been training another man's child. I have been training another man's child. Dear God, imagine. I have wasted my years. I have wasted my years. Let them leave now. Look at Lizzie. Look at Lizzie. Man, but you lose them now. Thompson, allow me. You are evil. God will judge you. God will touch you. God will touch you. You will die.
Love is meant to be true. Love is meant to be real. Don't get it twisted at all. Secret bonds and rendezvous brings nothing but false pleasure. Don't open your heart to deception. Don't give way to lies and deceit. Don't open your heart to strangers unknown. They bring nothing but pain.
Mama, even you. Mama, why did you?
Don't stop the ones you love.
Why did you say that?
At the back. Don't pretend the ones you love behind your back. Some actions might bring so much regret. Think twice before you step. Don't open your home to deception. Don't give way to lies and deceit.
The place is really, really progressing. Thank God.
Yeah. I think Angus is doing a very nice job here.
Yes, he is.
Actually, you know, he was recommended to me by a friend. Yeah. But from the look of things, I think he's someone that knows his onions when it has to do with building of houses.
Yeah.
Honestly.
I think he's good. He's good. Ah, he is. Let me come.
Be careful, though. Okay.
Let's check the other side.
Okay. Be careful, though, so you don't... Don't worry.
Baby, stop now. Baby, be careful. Be careful. Oh my goodness.
She's a mula.
Baby.
Let's go to the car so you can relax, eh?
Hey. Finished. I am finished. No. This marriage is a scam. Marriage is a scam. Marriage is a scam. Hey! I am finished. I have been training Titus' children without knowing. Hey, so all these years I've wasted just training another man's child and living with a wicked woman under the same roof. I am finished. I am finished. I am finished.
Man, are you okay?
Mommy, leave my room. Leave my room and stop knocking on my door. Stop knocking on my door, Mommy. You are an accomplice. You are an accomplice. Leave my room. Leave my room. I will drink myself to death. Your son is going to die. I will kill myself. Hey, Jesus. I am finished. Hey, I want him. I want my heart. Hey, BP.
So listen to me, alright? I just want to know if you're okay. Please, just open the door, please. Are you okay?
Love is meant to be true. Love is meant to be real. Don't get it twisted at all. Oh, secret bonds and rendezvous brings nothing but false pleasure.
I am finished. Legalize it. They should just make DNA free. They should make it free, Makati. For people who can afford it, they should make it free so that the common man can know the paternity of their children. No one here, these women, they have killed us. Hey! People, come and kill me. That failure of kill me. Hey!
Hey! Brings so much regret. Think twice before you step. Don't open your home to deception. Don't give way to lies and deceit. Don't open your home to strangers you know. They bring nothing but pain. Don't open your home to deception. Don't give way to lies.
Charity, thank you for all you're doing for my son.
Mommy, you're welcome. I have to do what I have to do just for my boss to come back to his feet.
So angry with Nancy, what she did to my son. Honestly, that woman is cursed. It will not be well with her.
Please, it's okay. Stop cursing her.
Do you know what my son is going through because of her? He's been locked up there for days without eating. Do you know what he's going through?
I understand, Mommy. And when I'm done with my cooking, I will go upstairs, persuade him to come down and eat.
You think you can do that magic?
I will try my best.
I'll appreciate that.
You know, for me, he's just traumatized. Yes, and anyone in his shoes will feel the same. He'll be fine.
Well, I hope so. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mom. Please, just don't think about it.
I'll try not to. Thank you.
So, Mommy, don't worry. If you want anything, call me. I'm here for you.
I'll remember that.
But come to think of it, what is wrong with some women these days? How will God give you a very good man, nice man like my boss, and you won't cherish him? Why? Well, there's always a say. When you don't cherish what you have, you will lose it. My gender.
Nancy, what are you doing here? Michael threw the kids and I out of the house. We had no place else to go to. Here we are at your building site because I didn't know what else to do.
Where are the children?
Inside. Kate!
Yes, Mom.
Your aunt is here.
Good day, Auntie.
My darling.
Good day, Auntie.
How are you?
We are fine. We are not fine. I want to go back to my father's house so that I would eat good food and not live with this poor man. Yes, Auntie, we want to go back to our father. We don't want to stay with Titus anymore. Auntie, we have not eaten. Please help us.
Kids, you know what? Just go in. Let me
Yes.
talk with your auntie.
Yes, everything will be fine, children, okay? I'll talk to your mommy.
Don't worry. Let me speak with auntie, okay? Mommy is coming. Femia, please. You have to talk to your husband. Please beg your husband for me. Zoe, both of you can go and talk to Michael, please. Please, you pay me.
Nancy, I'm sorry, but I cannot allow my husband go through such ridicule. I can't.
But that's why you're my friend. You can do anything for a friend, right? We've been friends. You pay me, please.
Nancy, you amaze me with your utterances. You should have thought about that when you opened your leg for that poor gate man. Just look at what you're putting the innocent children into.
Well, it was the work of the devil.
What? The devil? Nancy, you are the devil. Yes, you are.
Why are you calling me a devil?
Why won't I? Michael is a human being too.
And
I'm
your
sure,
friend.
yes, he's a human being. I'm sure he's passing through hell right now. I want you. I didn't want to keep sounding, but I want you over and over again. Just look at the children.
Euphemia, please. My children are suffering. Please. Help me. Please help us. It's okay. I'll just talk to Michael on our behalf.
Just.
Sir, can you hear me? Your food is served. Please come downstairs and eat. Sir, please, you need to come downstairs and eat. Please. Sir, please now, come downstairs and eat. Mom is worried. Please. And we miss you so much in the office. Sir, I know it's difficult for you, but try. Please.
He still hasn't opened the door.
Yes, ma'am. As usual, he doesn't want to open the door.
Michael, listen, it's your mother. You need to come and eat. Charity here has been wonderful. She comes in every day, does all the chores, brings food for you, and yet you refuse to eat. It's not fair.
Sir. Mom, it's fine. It's fine. You don't have to stress yourself because of your BP. You'll be fine. Sir, please, when you're ready, calm down.
Michael, what's going on? I mean, this is not the vibe. This is not the vibe. What's happening? This is not you. It's been one whole year. Your wife left you, and you're letting this thing get to you too much. You need to get a hold of yourself and move on with your life. What's going on, bro?
Thompson, just let me be. Thompson, just let me be, all right? Just let me be.
Michael, I won't let you be. It's been 1 year already. 1 whole year. Enough for you to pick yourself up and move on with your life. Yes, I understand your wife left you with your kids, but I mean your gate man's kids, but you shouldn't let it get to you like this. Come on, bro.
1 year is enough. It's so easy for you. Do you know what I went through? Do you know what I'm still going through? Listen, marriage is the least in my mind right now. Right? Bikonu, please.
Michael, I know you can still give love a chance.
Never.
I mean, there are so many beautiful girls in town. You can just pick anyone. I even heard Mama brought a woman for you and you rejected her.
Why wouldn't I reject her? Why wouldn't I reject her, Thompson? And I'm arrange. When I'm ready for marriage or love, I'll go all out there and get a woman for myself. Alright?
Michael, why not consider this girl Mama brought for you? Because if you go out there, you might end up getting another Delilah. Like
the Delilah you're suggesting for me. Because they've sent you. This advice now is for me to go and get into another Delilah. I'm not ready for that woman, I beg.
Bro, you can't continue like this. You can't. You need to get a hold of yourself and move on. Look, Obianuju is a nice, she's okay.
You can go and marry her as a second wife now. Eh? I mean, you don't want to date. You can do that. But for now, please. Biko, Thompson, I beg you. Biko, please. Well, on everything suggesting getting married and getting involved in love. Silent on Biko. Biko, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about this afternoon?
What about you?
You had a mind to greet me. Are you out of your mind?
Okay, I'm still okay now. I don't know. Okay, I see my former okay, I come greet them. I do bad thing.
I was told you tried to rape my wife.
Okay, me. I've got basi young young to be wrong. Okay, no be me. I mean, try to rape your wife. Your wife raped me.
Are you out of your mind? Okay. I'm talking. You are accusing. Are you okay?
Okay, I'm talking. Me now. What thing I do now? Okay, now your wife tried to rape me. He carry knife, come for inside that my kid house. Come they threaten me, say he go stab me. If I see eyes fire, come and say he go stab me. If I know do he come force me. I know go right for you now, okay? She said she marry you because of your money. Say you know sabi do. Say she marry you because of your money. Me I no go right for you now.
Mikey, I told you, right? I told you Nancy is a harlot, but you kept on doubting me. Can you hear him talk? Are you still doubting me? Isn't it obvious already?
God knows you be good person. I don't go die for your head now. Because of say me, I be born again Christian. I come out and run. I even leave my salary for una. I say me kuna carry and chop. Okay, I don't go die for you. See, she get mark for here like this. Get mark for here. I don't go die for you. She no go deny this thing when I dey talk so like this. Baba Sikenyong, I'm here from Friday Bob, Sunday Akpantang. She no go deny am.
You saw that mark?
Yes, now. Whoa, the mark dey here like this for this right.
Michael, Nancy is a common harlot. You need to start accepting the truth. Why is it so difficult for you to accept?
See, I no go do you bad thing now. I'm kind of very good person. I'm a very good man. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Look, I watch the motor now.
Thompson, can we please leave this place?
Oga, when I won't carry my, make I wash the car now. When I won't carry my money go. Oga, hey, pass me back. Oga, make.
Nancy claimed Effiong tried to rape her. Now Effiong is saying a different thing altogether. Nancy is a good radiance to bad rubbish.
Sir, are you okay?
Charity, I'm alright, I'm fine.
I don't think you're fine. I mean, few moments ago you left with your friend for lunch happy. But now you are not.
I will be fine.
Do you need coffee or tea? You're fine. Okay, if you say so. Well, this is the file, sir.
Drop it in.
Okay, sir. Bye. Okay. What is happening here? Pardon? Is today my boss's birthday? No. No. Sir, I want to know what is happening here because I'm sure today is not my boss's birthday.
Well, I don't know. Probably you will find out soon.
I'll find out soon. And you called me earlier. Today is not my work day.
It is not my birthday. We could make it a memorable day for both of us.
Good day, sir.
Charity, you've been a wonderful being. I have never seen a virtuous woman like you. Please, be my wife.
Sir, please stand up.
You can't just kneel down, please.
Charity, please be my wife.
Come on, say yes.
made it. Thank you so much. Thank you for accepting me. Thompson, I made it.
Congratulations.
Thompson! Now, one day is going to go right now.
But if I was
Thank you. You know, say they talk, say, waiting you they find for Sokoto. They for Sokoto. They find out Tomu, okay, no, they know.
Congrats, my friend. Congrats.
A wonderful being. I've never seen a virtuous woman like you before. And I'm glad you've accepted to make me complete. Thank you so much.
Finally.
Don't get it twisted at all. Oh, secret bonds and rendezvous brings nothing but false pleasures. Don't open your home to deception. Don't give way to lies and deceit. Don't open your home to strangers unknown. They bring nothing but pain. Don't stop the ones you love at the back. Don't prepare the ones you love behind your back. Some actions might bring so much regret. Think twice before you step